Hello students, lecture 112. In this video lecture we'll discuss further three articles based on history chapter print culture. The first article is print and dissent, means why did people oppose or the rulers control on books. Second is reading mania. Reading mania means how did people develop different taste of reading and in what way print helped in completing those tastes or requirements. And the third one is tremble therefore tyrants of the world, meaning before the print the rulers, the tyrant, cruel, even cruel kings had a fear. So we'll discuss these three articles in this video lecture. First article is print and dissent, means in what way people had a different feeling of the printed material. So in 16th century, Monocchio from Italy, who was a miller, he started reading all the books, whatever books were available in his locality. Whatever book he got, he read those books. Second, he interpreted the message of the Bible and formulated a view of God and created it was the creation that enraged the Roman Catholic churches. By this, the Roman Catholic churches, which were considered as the religious established authority, they were angry against Monocchio. For this, Monocchio was arrested 2 times, and when he did not stop reading Bible and explaining the ideas to the people the way he understood, he was executed. He was punished, he was given a death punishment. And then from 1558, the Roman churches began to maintain index of such prohibited books, that the books which are containing anti-colonial message or text, those books should be controlled and they should not be circulated, or in simple meaning, those books should not reach to the public for their wider reading. So this was about all print and dissent, in what way people were against, the rulers were against some printed text, and in what way people developed their own message from these printed text books. Next is the reading mania. Reading mania means different people developed different interest and taste of reading. Yes, people have taste of reading. A taste never means that food is the food only gives the taste. Books also provide taste to the people, and people select their books as per their interest, taste and choice. This article we will discuss in 3-4 points. The first point is the most important part of Europe, or in most of the parts in Europe, literacy rate went up when people started reading and writing more and more. So obviously literacy rate went up. Through the 17th century and 18th century, the literacy rate was seen the highest. These 2 centuries, 17th and 18th, were also considered as the print revolution, and this was also one outcome of that print revolution, that literacy rate went up. Second point can be discussed in this is schools and literacy spread in European countries, due to which people wanted production of books at large level, means they wanted more and more books. Now books not only for common reading, novel or any other entertainment. Now textbooks also were being published. Then next point, other form of reading mainly based on entertainment began to reach to the ordinary people. Books containing entertaining material now started reading to even every common people reader, which earlier were restricted to them. Now books were of various sizes, serving many different purposes and interests. Cost came down. Pocket books, penny chapbooks, bibliotheque blue books were some examples of that time low cost books. Fourth point, from the early 18th century, periodical presses means the text which was printed after a regular interval of time, like magazines, developed, which combined information related to current affairs with entertainment. Along with entertainment, current affairs were also being published. Journals and newspapers carried information. Now newspaper also started being published, so that carried information related to wars, trade and developments in other parts of the world countries. And point number 5, Isaac Newton, his discoveries and inventions were also published, which influenced scientifically minded readers. Rather, if I say, because science developed a factual based data, so it helped in removing the superstitious ideas. So this was all about the reading mania. Now that people started reading in this different scenario. And last article is tremble therefore tyrants of the world, meaning how did and why did the the cruel rulers, very despotic rulers, also feared from the publish of book. This article will discuss again in 3 points. Books were considered as means of spreading progress and enlightenment, knowledge, by the mid 18th century, because now books were containing information, current affairs, general knowledge and other day-to-day life events. According to Louis Sebastien Mercier, as a writer, a novelist in 18th century France, said that printing press is the most powerful engine of progress and public opinion and is the force that will sweep despotism away. This is a statement made by Sebastien Mercier, so important for objective type. I repeat, Louis Sebastien Mercier said that the printing press is the most powerful engine of progress and public opinion, and it is the force that will clean despotic rulers, again the cruel rulers, the autocrats. It will sweep away, means now people will stop obeying the despotic rulers and it will come to an end. And last point of this article is convinced of the power of print in bringing enlightenment and destroying the basis of despotism. Mercier proclaimed that tremble therefore tyrants of the world, tremble before the virtual writer. This was another statement made by Louis Sebastien Mercier, the novelist of 18th century from France. So he said that in front of virtual writer, even the cruel rulers, the despotic rulers are also having a fear. So this was the power of print and the printing. Thank you very much. Keep on reading, watching. I hope it will help you.